previous sessions we have discussed about the full stack Java architecture, right? So how the full stack Java application development happening, we have discussed. Okay. So when we are developing the full stack application, we need to remember like a 3 layers, like a 2 layers as of now we can see front end layer available, back end layer available, database available. Okay. So we are having lot of customer for the Flipkart, we are having lot of customer for the Amazon, like for every web application we are having many customers. So if a customer is perform some action in the front end, so that action will be execute the logic in the back end layer. So in the back end layer we are going to write the some logic, like some code we are going to write. So after writing the code, that code will be execute. So whenever inserting the student data, so it is going to perform the insertion operation. Okay, so that data will be inserted into the database table. For example, this is the customer. This customer want to how many products available in the database. So this customer is going to select some mobiles. Previously we have seen. So that customer want to do the shopping. Okay, so that's why what he is doing, he is doing some clicking the mobiles and filtering the mobiles. Okay, so he wants Samsung mobiles, means we need to click on the Samsung. So based on the search criteria, he is filtering the data. So if you want to perform some actions now, those actions we need to write on the UI page. Okay, so here I'm a customer, I'm interacting with the Flipkart application. This is the Flipkart application. So if we click on tablets or mobiles, so the entire mobiles and tablets, we are going to get the response, right? All the tables, all the mobiles, we are going to get as a response. First of all, we are going to send the request to the backend. The backend layer request will go to the database. From the database, all the mobiles come into the front end. How it is coming? So from the database, it is giving the response or output to the backend layer. After backend layer getting the data from database, from the backend layer, the data will go to the front end layer. In the front end layer, we can see as a response. Okay, like this, the full stack Java application happening in the market. Okay, in the companies, that is the architecture they are following. So if you see here, okay, see, I will explain one by one technology here. First of all, I'm going to teach backend technology, right? So first of all, what is Java? What is advanced Java? Everything I want to discuss here. Okay. So first of all, our Java. Okay. Our Java is a programming language base. So if you want to actually in the market, we are having two types of languages. What are the two types of language available? Human language available. Human language available. And also we are having programming language. In the market, we are having two types of languages: human language and programming language. Okay, so what is the human language? So human language, if one person want to communicate with another person, we are having human language in the market. Okay, this is the person to person communication. Okay, person to person communication. Person to person communication, we are having human languages. Okay, so if one person want to communicate with another person, in the market, what we are having? In the market, we are having human languages. Okay, so and also we are having programming language, right? So one person want to communicate with the computer. Okay, person to computer communication. So if one person want to communicate with another computer, at the time we are having person to computer communication. We are having programming language in the market. Okay, so after communicate, so this person want to communicate with the computer. So after communication is completed, so this person is can we develop the any kind of application, like he can develop the standalone applications, he can develop the web applications, he can develop the distributed applications. Okay, this is the programming language. So in the market, we are having lot of programming language. So we know human language, right? Human language like Telugu, Hindi, English, Urdu, Malayalam. Like this, we are having many languages for the person to person communication. Okay. We know human language, right? We know Telugu, Hindi, English. So many languages available for the human to human communication. One person to another person want. If one person want to communicate with another person, now we are having human language in the market. So what are the human languages? Telugu, Hindi, English, and also programming language available in the market. So why programming languages come into the picture? Okay, why programming language come into the picture? So one person want to communicate with the machines or computers. We are having programming language in the market. So can we, can you know, so this computers know Telugu language, this computer know English language. So this computer don't know Telugu, Hindi, English, human language, they don't know. So this computer know only binary language like a zeros and ones. Okay, so these computers know only binary language, zeros and ones. That's why we need to tell in the binary format only. Okay, that's why programming language come into the picture. Okay, why we are learning here? Why we are learning programming language? To communicate with the computer. After communicating, we can develop any kind of applications. That's why we are learning here Java. Our Java is a one programming language here. Okay, example of programming language. Our Java also one programming language. Java, Python, Java, Python, C language, C++. Okay, C++, PHP. Like this, we are having many language, many programming languages in the market. So why we are learning here Java? Our Java is a programming language. By using Java, I'm a person here. I can communicate with the computer. I can develop any kind of applications. Okay, that's why I'm learning here Java. Okay, so first of all, by using only core Java, okay, we can see Java, right? Core Java. By using core Java, we can develop standalone applications. Okay, by using core Java or by using Java. First of all, what is Java? Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Okay, why programming language come into the market? So programming language is used to communicate with the machines or computers. Once we communicate now, we can develop any kind of application. So our Java is also one programming language. By using Java, what type of application we can develop? If you use only core Java, if you use only Java, we can develop only standalone application. Okay, by using Java, we can develop standalone applications. Okay, standalone applications we can develop. So first of all, what is standalone application? So the application which can run in only one machine. The application which can run in only one machine. For example, this is the Notepad++, right? So this is running in currently my machine only. Okay, why? Because I have downloaded the software, I have installed the software. Then only we can access the standalone applications. Okay, standalone application nothing but the application which is running in the only one machine. And also that person need to download the software, that person need to install the software, then only that person can access. Okay, otherwise that person not able to access. That is called as a standalone application. Okay, the application which can access only one person at a time. The application which can access the application or otherwise the app the application which can access only one person at a time. Okay, the application which can access only one person at a time. If only one person access at a time now, that is called as a standalone application. So if you want that person need to access means that person need to download the software, that person need to install the software, then only that person can be accessed, otherwise that person not able to access. That is called as a standalone application. So in the market we are having lot of standalone applications like Notepad++, our Notepad++, Notepad, Notepad++. Okay, and also we are having calculator, right? If you open the calculator, so this calculator also standalone application or desktop application. Okay, this standard we can develop this kind of applications also by using core Java. Okay, calculator. And so for the application development we are going to use the IDEs like Eclipse IDE, right? So this is also called as a standalone application, Eclipse IDE. So like this we are having many desktop applications or standalone applications. What is standalone application here? The application which can run in only one machine. The application which can run, which can access only one person at a time. Okay, the application which can access only one person at a time, and also the application which can run in only one system at a time. Okay, which can run in only one machine at a time. First of all, what I'm telling standalone application means the application which can access only one person at a time, and also the application which can run in only one machine. So if you want to access, okay, if you want one person access or if you want to run in one machine means what we need to do here, we need to download, first of all we need to download the software. We need to download the software, and after downloading completed we need to install the software, then only that person can access. That is called as a standalone application. Okay, what is Java here? Our Java is a programming language. Okay, by using Java we can develop standalone application. What is standalone application here? The application which can access only one person at a time. Okay, so that person need to download the software and also install the software, then only that person can access, otherwise not able to access. So examples of standalone application: Notepad, Notepad++, calculator, Eclipse. Okay, so these all are the standalone application. So this is also one standalone application, file explorer, and also we have Notepad++ and calculator. These all are the standalone applications. Okay, so if you're using only core Java, we can develop standalone application. So if you want to develop the web application like Flipkart or Amazon, Myntra, like, right, we're having lot of online sites, right? So if you want to develop this kind of application, we need to use the J2WE. Okay, what is J2WE here? J2WE nothing but JDBC, JSP, Servlets. By using these technologies, we can develop the web applications. If you use only core Java, we can develop the standalone application. If you use advanced Java or J2WE, we can develop the web applications also. Okay, and also I want to tell Java 8 here. So Java 8 is changed the lifestyle of our application, our Java, guys. So previously Java 8, we are having lot of version, total 24 versions available in the Java. Okay, total 24 versions available in the Java currently. So every year 2 times it is going to update. If you see here Java versions list, okay, if you see here Java versions list, so we are having lot of versions, right? JDK1, JDK2, JDK3, like this we are having total 24 versions available in the Java. Okay, so 24 versions available in the Java. This is the current using version, and also latest version is the green color. Okay, this is the green color. So this is the Java 25 is the feature version. If you see this color, this color is available here. So it is a feature coming version. This is the latest version. Green color is the latest version, currently using version, and also every year two versions is going to update here. Okay, see here, September 1 version is going to introduce in the market, March 1 version, September 1 version, March 1 version, September 1 version, March 1 version. Like this, every year, two versions is coming to the market. Okay. So if any new feature is coming to the market, so the company people's not going to use the new updated versions. Why? Because if any mobiles or any products coming to the market, new products, so every person not able to purchase. Why? Because some defects is available. Okay. For example, if new bike is coming to the market, so some people are thinking, some people they will buy, after that I will buy, like that they are going to think. So after 1 year 2 years they are going to purchase the bikes. Why? Because some defects available when introduced into the market. That's why more people not able to buy the bikes or anything. Okay, here also, if any new feature come into the market, the who are developing the application at the time, they are not going to use the latest versions. Okay, and also whenever learning the Java, you need to remember few points here. So we need to learn the long term supported versions. Okay, so the Oracle company is providing long term supported version, LTS version. Okay, if you go to the interviews, they are going to ask the LTS versions, LTS version. See here, LTS. Okay, they are going to concentrate on the LTS version. LTS nothing but long term supported versions. Okay, so if you see this red color na, if you see this red color na, okay, so we are having red color, right? So this red color is not providing more support. So in the future it is going to duplicate, this version is going to remove in the futures. That's why they are giving some red color. Okay, that's why if you go to the interviews now, they are going to concentrate main on the long term supported versions. Okay, so if you learn unnecessary things, your time will be wasted. Okay, if you learn unnecessary things, your time will be wasted. You are going to get late of job, right? Okay, so that's why whenever learning the Java, you need to remember what are the long term supported versions is there. Those versions you need to concentrate. From that versions also you need to concentrate on the more Java 8. Why? Because if you go to the any interview, if you attend the 10 interviews, you are going to get every interview. Okay, so if you attend the 10 interviews, like 8 to 9 interviews are going to ask the Java 8 questions only. Okay, that's why Java 8 having more popularity in the market. And also previously Python people is thinking like we can write within line. Okay, in the single line we can execute the code. Okay, in the single line we can perform any kind of operation by using Python. Okay, that's why Java people is thinking at the time. So Java people also introducing Java 8 features. In the Java 8 there is having Streams API. Okay, Streams API chapter is available. So that's by using that Streams API, we can execute our Java program, Java code also within single line also. Okay, that's why it is having more popularity. Only not executing in the single line, it is having more performance. Okay, it is giving more performance in the Java 8. That's why every people is habituated using Java 8. Okay, coming to the this Java 8, this Java 8 is using very some difficulties there. If you learn some core Java, some basic topics now, then only will get the idea on the Java 8. Okay, so you need to more concentrate on the Java 8. If you don't know core Java, if you know only Java 8 also, you will get the job. That much powerful nature is in there in the Java 8. Okay, so who are who are giving the interviews now, you can ask your seniors. Okay, your seniors available, your family members available, you can ask. If they go to, if you go to the interview, what type of interview questions they are going to ask, so they will tell definitely Java 8. Okay, that's why I'm going to concentrate more on the Java 8. First I will tell the fundamentals of the Java, core concept of the Java. After that I am going to cover Java 8 also. Okay, so that is the advantages of Java 8 here. So if you go to the another institute, they will not much, they are not concentrate much on the Java 8. Okay, so first of all, Java 8 is a Java 8 is a Java 8 is change the lifestyle of Java. Okay, so Actually, our Java is a pure object or our Java is a object oriented programming, guys. From till Java 7, our Java is a object oriented programming language. Everything we need to write in the objects format. Okay. So till Java 1.7, Java 1.7. So our Java is a object oriented programming language. Object oriented programming language. Okay. So till Java 1.7, our Java is a object oriented programming language. From Java 1.8, from Java 1.8, our Java is a functional programming also. Functional programming language also. Okay. So this is the big advantages in the Java. Whenever Java 1.8 is coming, so the lifestyle of the Java changed. Okay. Why? Because they introduced before our Java is a only object-oriented programming language. So from Java 1.8, they introduced some functions. By using that function, we can develop our code in the within single line, any kind of code. Okay. These functions is change the lifestyle of the Java. So this is called as a Java 8. Or we can call as a Java 8 or Java 1.8. Okay, we can use Java 8 or Java 1.8. Okay,